Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I feel like I say this every single time, but for those of you that don't know me, my name is Marima and I love food and I love creating recipes. So that is mainly what you're going to find on my channel. And in today's video, I happen to be making some of the most amazing things that I've made in a long time. So first things first, I'm going to be making this Mediterranean quinoa cold salad, and it is amazing. It is probably one of my favorite dinner recipes that I've made in a very, very long time. So I started out by cooking up a package of pre-seasoned quinoa as such and bringing that to a boil until it was fully cooked. And then I took it off of the heat and allowed that to cool for a little bit. Part of my being healthy is including as many vegetables as I possibly can into these recipes. So that is what you're going to see me doing right here. I chopped up a whole bunch of vegetables, including red peppers, zucchini, mushrooms, tomatoes, garlic, anything that I could find really. I topped that with a little bit of olive oil as well as some balsamic salt and pepper and gave that a little shimmy, as you can tell, and then roasted that in the oven at 425 for about 15 to 20 minutes until it basically got caramelized all the way through. And then I made my sauce. So in the sauce we are going to be adding about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, some water, a little bit of mint, as well as some basil, some nutritional yeast, which I decided to add for some cheesy flavor. You can leave it out, salt and pepper, garlic salt, and then some sort of a nut. I only had hemp nuts on hand, so that is what I put into the mix. And then and then we added in about half of a lemon as well. So that closed it up and processed it, made sure to wipe down all of the sides, and then continued to process it until it was very well mixed together, kind of like a pesto sauce. Okay, so from there, all of the ingredients were ready to go. So I put 2 cups of that cooked, seasoned, delicious quinoa into the bowl. And as you could tell at this point, it was pretty cool and it kind of stuck together. So I had to kind of clump it up. And then from there, I added all of those delicious, seasoned, beautiful vegetables into the mix, as well as some of that roasted garlic. Now, I love roasted garlic. I think this primarily is why I probably love this dish so much. But if you don't like roasted garlic, that's okay. I think you can leave it out, although I don't think that you should. And then from there, add in that homemade pesto sauce. Mix everything together as such. It's going to make the most beautiful Mediterranean pesto quinoa roasted vegetable salad that you have had in a very, very long time. Even if you are not a vegetable lover, I think that you guys are going to be very much into this dish. It is good. to make a simple but healthy chocolate sauce, you can just take about a tablespoon of maple syrup and mix in some cocoa. I kind of just put in however much I think will be good and then taste test it after I mix it. But there you go, a really simple way to make a chocolate sauce. So there you have it, a very delicious, simple, and healthy chocolate cherry ice cream for when you're feeling something sweet and delicious but still want it to be healthy. Last but not least, I'm going to be making these delicious vegetable udon noodles. I pretty much make this all the time just because it's super fast and easy, but also you can utilize any vegetables that you might have in your fridge that you want to use up. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed these 3 plant-based meals. And if you've made it this far and enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. It really supports my channel. And see you in the next one.